You know that feeling you'd get as a kid when instead of waking up for school, you were actually waking up for a field trip? Suddenly, an otherwise boring week came to life. Waking up early no longer felt like a chore, and it was actually something you looked forward to. And honestly, I still get that exact same feeling, even as an adult. Except now, instead of a field trip, it's a ride out. Especially when it's taking place somewhere legendary, like the nation's capital. Washington, D.C., where somehow politicians, tourists, and illegal e-bike are all about to collide, and this is diesel. And we can't stop at the gas station without fueling my addiction, sour candy. Today we have the Sour Punch strawberry straws. Pretty big pack. This was $2.69. Let's see if they're actually sour. What it looks like. Wait, I think I messed up, and I already tested these. This is just a bigger pack. I gave it a 7 out of 10. But you know what? Today I'm feeling 7.5 out of 10 on this red flavor. All right, let's go to DC. So this trip has 3 goals. First, is the ETM RTR actually a good ride-out bike? Second, can we get away with riding illegal bikes where the president resides? And lastly, can I make it out of here without crashing like I do at every other ride-out? All right, guys, we officially made it to DC. We just parked up in a little garage here. I think we'll be meeting somewhere up around here. I'm rocking my touring battery today to have as much range as possible. All right, we got to get over at some point here. Yo, what's up, dude? How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you, bro. It's good, bro. Good to see you. What's up, dude? You riding it? You leading this thing? What's up, dude? All right, A-Rob, you ride safe today. All right. Get this shit started. Look at him. Let's go. Everyone wheel in. Yo. Hey, what's up? You made it. Woo! Got a nice little dry patch here. I really hope I don't lose my keys. We outside. You know, in a way, this is like a field trip. This is like a field trip we used to take growing up in southeastern PA. You'd go to frickin' DC. Oh, look at this. This kid's gonna pedal the whole ride. That's crazy. DC is such an interesting city, bro. Like, all the people around expecting to come here and have some influence in what goes on. It's an interesting city. I don't know. Except all in politics. I don't know. I can't say I love it. Look at us coming up to the National Monument. Oh yeah. A lot of Starks out too. We got one Supermoto. Like, that kid can't be older than fucking 16. Unreal. I'm just jealous, I guess. Yeah, what's up, dude? Here, go ahead. Hey, look who showed up. It's one-way car. What's good, bro? We're washed. We're washed. It's all right. Yeah. Hey, I appreciate it, bro.
XXX because of your videos.
You got one?
Yeah.
I see you don't have it anymore, though. I don't either, though, so appreciate it, yo. It's still the coolest thing when people, like, come up to me and tell me they like my videos. Pretty lit. 12 o'clock. She said get them bikes to 12 o'clock. Yeah. Hey! He pulled up. What's good? What's good, bro? On the Ultra B. He upgraded. He upgraded. You look good on this, dude. Oh, I love swerving this RTR. I've been riding the Rizzler so much I forgot how easily this swerves on supermotos. Dude, I also love this. Look at this kid outside on the hay bike. This is like a $1,300 bike and he's cutting up on it. I can't lie. Look at him go. Swerving the hay bike, it just needed a supermoto. When I reviewed that bike, I feel like it was all right. I mean, honestly, they're all kind of the same, but you cut up on the hay bike, bro. It's funny, I think that might be the only RTR here. I haven't seen one other RTR now that I think of it. This kid going no hands. All right, I see you. No hands. One hand. Ride leader, Jack Blatch. On his crazy built Light B. No hands real quick. He's got the Cali swag. Whoop. Oh, gotta slow down. There he goes. Onto the sidewalk. Yo. How are you? Yeah, dude, it's been a hot minute. Good to see you, bro. What even is this thing? Some sort of like Tutio something. Yo. Whoa. Lost my bag. Here it comes, here it comes. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah, thank you. Success. Now we have a free tunnel. Something tells me she did not like the stoppie. Listen to that tune. Okay. Okay. Little foot drag. Oh! No, that was good. Dude, these are the classic kids. Look at this thing. On the foot brake. All right. Calm down. What's good, dude? Another Philly rider, one-way Tyler. Bip in the Ultra B. These Maguras seem to be holding up pretty well, all things considered. Like I said, I've used them on many bikes. I installed them last video, and they seem to be doing fine. This kid is still pedaling in the back. Oh, look how beautiful these homes are. Well, I will say, RTR, obviously, no-brainer. We know this is a good ride-out bike. And as far as the law enforcement goes, I think we are chilling. They haven't been bad at all. Besides, I think just telling us to follow the rules of the road, which, you know. What was the other question? Oh, can I make it out of here without falling? Still to be determined. Yeah, we're having fun. RTR is a phenomenal ride-out bike, if you ask me. And with the touring battery, we're at 71% right now. It's kicking ass. So I can just wheelie and rip it the whole freaking time and not have to worry. God, I can't breathe. The one thing about downtown DC is the streets are actually super wide, as you can tell, and they keep them super clean. I reckon because it's the capital, and if you have people visiting from other countries, you want it to look nice. Ooh, Ooh. And I think we're back to the start now. Would you look at that? And it's 4 o'clock on the dot. Shit, but I would say this was a valid ride out. Pretty low key, but low key isn't bad. Nothing wrong with low key, especially when some shit gets way too hectic. It's gonna take a while. Look at that Porsche. Thing is clean. Anyways, guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's ride. Shout out DC. Fun city to ride. We got some decent weather. But if you want this bike or any of Electro Co's bikes, you can get it on ConnorGmedia.com. Use code ConnorG to save. You can still use code ConnorG on Electro Co's website as well. But otherwise, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.